Hi guys, it's me again. I know I haven't been uploading for like a while now, but yeah, I'm here again. And today I'm gonna be playing a new, like the game's not new, but the game's gonna be new on my channel. I'm gonna play All Out more than like Clash Royale and Brawl Stars. Anyways, guys, I'll put the game's creator here on the screen. Yeah, that's Sunday. I've been subbed to him like for 5 years. He's a nice YouTuber. If you don't know him, go check him out. He makes funny content. He's a games creator. He's an admin. I can just show you guys. Here, this is him, admin. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna be playing All Out. If you want to play the game, here, wait, let me go there. Here is the game, All Out. If you guys like the game when I play it, here it is. You're just gonna write this, All Out, and you can play it. It's a nice game. Anyways, this is my character. Yeah, I'm a banana. The game's really good. So I recommend it. You can play it in mobile, like you can play it on everything, I guess. But I don't know if you can play it on PS5. Anyways, so yeah, today I'm gonna be playing All Out. And guys, recently, I'll show them to you here. Little Spectra. If you guys don't know him, he has a channel. Here is his channel, yeah. He makes funny content too, like Sunday. Go check him out if you want, because yeah, it'll help him. Anyways, guys, I'll show off the games now. Here are the games: Fisherman Raising a Monster. You can read it. Yes, yeah, this is all the games that the game has. So if you guys wanna, I showed the game. So if you guys wanna play, just yeah, you can just download it in any device. So it's better that I just get into the game and don't bore you guys. So today I'm gonna be playing Murder Mystery. I'll see you when I'm there. Okay, guys, as you can see, someone died here. So this game has even voice chat, as you can see. The game is good. So if you wanna play, just play, bro. Oh my god, I knew it. Anyways, that's actually good. So in this game, you can be a detective. The detective can place cameras, and the detective shoots the killer. Like it's like murder mystery. Like what do you think? What do you think? Like if you're the murderer, if you kill like 4 people, then you become like a special murderer or something. This is just murder mystery, so there are many games. This is just one of them. You like the game, you can go play. Why am I saying this 100 times? Sorry. Anyways, I'm not that of a big creator, but go subscribe to Little Spectra. That'll help him out. He has like 2,000 subs right now, I think, and we lost. But yeah, help him, guys. Okay. Okay, this game has 3 roles. You can be a suspect, like innocent. It has voice chat too, as you can see. You can buy skins in the shop, items. Look, here's a camera. Like, the run didn't even start. Anyways, I'll see you when the run starts. As you can see, I'm a suspect. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna search and try to find, yeah, somewhere. I don't know, I'm not. I'm gonna try to find keys. So guys, if you're a suspect and if you wanna win, you need to get keys and insert them here. If you get 9 keys and go in, you win. So I'll see you guys when I murder a sheriff. Guys, I keep why did bro just shoot me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Cause I keep becoming innocent. A suspect. I keep becoming the suspect. But I'll see you guys when I become the killer, I guess. And the sheriff shot me. I don't know what he was thinking, but I'm a suspect again. I wanna cry, but why? Why am I a suspect? Finally! Finally! Guys, I'm finally the killer. Let's go. Let's freaking go, man. Let's actually go. Okay, I haven't been like a killer. Like, this is my second time being a killer, so I don't really know something. Like, what does that do? I don't know. What? No, bro, I don't know, bro. Okay, guys, I found something. Guys, I found something. I found something down here. Let's go. Any reports? Okay, I'm good now. Okay, well, what do I do? They're like both together. How am I gonna kill him? Okay, a full stop it. Oh. Okay. Guys, bro. What am I gonna do now? Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Oh god. Did I just seal myself in here? Yeah. Yeah, I'm in my final form, bro. Where are you guys? I'm gonna kill you. Come on. First killer win. First killer win. Where are these guys? Come on. Bro. Yes! 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 Finally! Oh my god! Finally, bro! Bro, I'm out, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bro, I'm out.